Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 wide format wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This powerhouse of a printer is designed to revolutionize the way you work, especially in an office setting, by providing professional quality color documents at incredible speeds. Imagine being able to print out detailed floor plans, vibrant mood boards, and crisp spreadsheets with ease and precision. The OfficeJet Pro 9730 makes this a reality, offering print speeds of up to 18 pages per minute in color and 22 pages per minute in black. This means you can get more done in less time, focusing on what really matters, growing your business and achieving your goals. One of the standout features of the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 is its integration with HP AI, which ensures that your prints are perfectly formatted every time. Have you ever tried to print a web page or an email, only to find that it's filled with unnecessary content and awkward layouts? This is where HP AI comes in, cleverly removing unwanted elements so that your prints look exactly the way you want them to. This feature is a game changer for professionals who need to print documents that look polished and professional. With the OfficeJet Pro 9730 you can say goodbye to wasted pages and hello to perfectly formatted prints every time. But that's not all. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 also boasts the world's first and only wide format printer with P3, offering a wider color gamut than traditional sRGB. What does this mean for you? It means that you can achieve vibrant, screen-accurate prints that truly represent the colors and details of your original documents. Whether you're printing out marketing materials, photographs, or architectural designs, the OfficeJet Pro 9730 ensures that your prints are rich, detailed, and true to life. This level of color accuracy is unparalleled in the market, making the OfficeJet Pro 9730 the perfect choice for anyone who needs to print high-quality documents. In addition to its impressive print capabilities, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 also comes with a range of upgraded features that make it an absolute joy to use. With fast color printing, copying, and auto two-sided printing, you can get more done in less time. The auto document feeder is also a huge time saver, allowing you to scan and copy multi-page documents with ease. And with two 250-sheet input trays, you can print large quantities without having to constantly refill the paper. But what really sets the OfficeJet Pro 9730 apart is its integration with HP's Instant Ink delivery service. With HP Plus, you get 3 months of instant ink, and after that, a monthly fee applies unless you cancel. This means that you'll never run out of ink again, and you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and achieving your goals. So what are you waiting for? If you're in the market for a powerful, feature-rich printer that can keep up with your demanding office needs, look no further than the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730. With its incredible print speeds, perfect formatting, vibrant colors, and upgraded features, this printer is the ultimate solution for professionals who need to print high-quality documents. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 today and experience the power of professional quality printing for yourself. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your business to the next level. Get ready to print, create, and achieve your goals with the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730.